Hello everyone! Did you know that your phones have apps built into your firmware that track your every move? They track how many times you tap the screen, how many times you open a particular app per day, and, for example, how many YouTube videos you've watched. They actually collect information from every app you install through Google Play Market. They constantly monitor your every action, remembering what you write and who you send it to. It's a good idea to get rid of this, because it's completely unnecessary analysis that's sent to who knows who. Of course, this only benefits the developers, because they know how long you've been using their app, how long you've been there, and so on. So why do you need this? For you, of course, it's complete nonsense and unnecessary. And the very first thing it does is, of course, drain your battery, just because of all this monitoring. Plus, it's your privacy, which isn't violated, because you've given these apps permission to work. It's your phone, after all, so you should be able to monitor which settings are working and which aren't. So of course, you won't be able to hold anyone accountable. Look closely, I'm showing you one of the pitfalls that needs to be mitigated a bit. Go to the standard settings and find something called Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. There, if you can't find it, use the standard search. Here's the search settings. Enter all the similar names here, like Digital Wellbeing, Parental Controls, and so on. There. Go here. And look, there. Well, I've only just scratched the surface of what it does. It actually monitors the entire phone. If you read it, you'll be truly shocked. So what do we need to do? Well, at a minimum, we won't disable it, of course, but we will neutralize all this interaction with other apps so that information is not collected. Here on the right side, you need to click on the 3 and look for Data Management. Let's go here. It says Daily Phone Usage. These are the statistics that are collected. Here, it's slightly disabled. Look, I'm clicking on the slider on the right side. A window like this appears. Here you need to click on Close Access in Settings. Then a menu like this will appear. Everyone here, of course, will have different apps. Among all these apps, you need to scroll through and find the one specifically called Digital Wellbeing. Here it is. You can, in principle, search for this icon. Well, of course, sometimes the icon may be slightly different on some phones. Here, let's go back to Digital Wellbeing. And where do we allow access? Now we disable this slider on the right side. Disabled. Go back with the arrow. Back again. And now we've disabled these statistics. This slider is disabled. And now there won't be any unnecessary monitoring. So basically, Digital Wellbeing will continue to work. If someone uses it, then we haven't done anything wrong. It will continue to function, but it won't collect all this information that drains your phone's battery and gets sent somewhere else. Support this video with a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend.